We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated seats, Bose sound system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, remote vehicle start, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.